Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the power formula. We use the formula with the two methods as we used in some formula in the previous video. But there is another method we may use the formula. We call it the direct method, excluding the type and mouse methods. We will first try it on the horizontal data. This formula is used to provide the result of power on a given value. As you can see here in the data, the cell of number and power are present. Let's see how we may use the power formula. Let's type is equal to sign, power, bracket open. As you can see, the number option is the number we use. Put the cell number C3, then you can see the power option here. Type D3, bracket over, and enter. As we all know that 2 power 4 is equal to 16, which means table of 2 goes 4 times, like 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. And 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. There is the 16. We do the same in the second column. 3 power 2, which means the answer should be 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Let's use the formula with the help of mouse this time. Type the formula is equal to sign, power, bracket open, select the C4, comma, select the D4, bracket close, and enter. The answer is 9. Now let's get to the vertical data. We will take the table of 4 goes 2 times, and we get the answer 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Type is equal to sign, power, bracket open. We will type the values as per actual cell values, like D7, comma, D8, bracket close, enter. We get the answer. We repeat the same on this data, like the power of 2 on the value 5, which means the table of goes 2 times, like 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. By using the mouse and type the formula is equal to power, bracket open, select E7, comma, select E8, bracket close, enter. And you can see we have the answer 25. Let's get to another method, which is called the direct method. In this method, we do not need a cell value to get the data for the formula. In this method, we type the formula is equal to sign, power, bracket open, then we type the number as per requirement, as we type 6, comma, and then the second requirement for power, we type 2, bracket close, enter. And we get the answer over here. Let's try again with different data. Is equal to sign, power, bracket open, type the required number, comma, then type the required power number, bracket close, enter, and we get the result just like this. That's all for today's lesson. We'll meet you in the next video with another learning topic. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel.